The situation limps back again as double parking in the Paona Bazar road is taking place like before. It may be worth to mention that following the drive taken up against those who double park or park randomly in this road under the supervision of SP Imphal West, 2 to 3 days, one could witness no double parking and general public feels quite comfortable in going through this road. A shop owner expressed unhappiness in seeing double parking once again.
Double parking to bus ko. Na ako yung isa to siya mga ide. Ako yung lambi sa tutas nda. Ako yung kung tiba nang may ko. Ay ako yung sonda na double parking si four-wheeler two-wheeler di mapunta ko. Hindi ba siya pa napandi. Jadi ako yung tasingan din nung ngasila ame nung alaga di among laro ni minini umi lera hata lera ka among lani. Adagi di matong tawde di kenta mong hayro. Adagi si one way or ganina. Double park to wala pwede ano kung sipa sumba kaya man nang satok kasinda dagi ko gi gari mo may letok ko wala ga so double park to si am na kung tingay ko si ko na kasin haragati siya ko yung matamzana mo na simbira ga ko double park to siya nyom sunna to bi basi tangay ko na to ni hajina.
Temporary measures taken up from the side of the concerned authority has given untold miseries and inconveniences to the general public. Double parking has created artificial traffic jam. The general public want authorities to take up permanent measures.
Nungai tabai bo aikoina lilong parking te gi thaurak pada adugi matik makha dukan se adugi matik nungai te gari se mapa chan su khamte adagi amna amna chonthoi maning mamang pang thau da thaudana aikoi si delay oidana yamna nungai taba makha dukan daina kaishampat pause adugi matik pung khai ma hena changdo maduna as yam thina nungai khidrabai wani masi sarkar na tawrise nongni am phai nongni am phate maduna masidi tawhanningte sarkar gi maikai te gi ai sengna haijarabda madu pamjai.
Action in the drive taken up from time to time to show the general public that they are doing their job will not bring any significant and positive development. Failure to maintain traffic regulation along the Paona Bazar road has not only inconveniences the shopkeepers but also the general public. Public wanted concerned authority to sincerely execute their jobs and duties for the welfare of the public.
Boy, and that boy Imphal iski kano kanguna West kanguna koi police na is mayam section thora mayam tawe adu double park thajan badagi lami mayam sille sin badagi do boy Imphal West kanguna handak amuk nongni ni amuk torome nongni torom badagi amuk to khare haibadi ngahanga ki oiba boy gi nga boy ni ningjang abu kan da hek ngahak la ge hek amuk ting ba amuk pha ba double park tawga da ba adu muk tung koi na sung tong tong de haibadi hai tung koi na tawraga haibadi lambi langam phan ba kholan ba leite ngahanga ki oina tawi aduna masi akoi tung koi na hai di kuina chan na bagi na tung koi na tawani hai na hai janing.
With camera person Yaifaba, this is Sajanumnam reporting for Impact News, Paona Bazar.